coming in now. The Union Home Minister Amit Shah has also mocked Congress. Amit Shah says that Congress party tried relaunching Rahul Gandhi multiple times and every time the attempt failed.
राहुल बाबा, इस सोनिया जी ने, मोदी जी ने तो एक ही बार ट्राई किया और चंद्रयान लॉन्च हो गया। ये राहुल बाबा नाम के यान को सोनिया जी 20 बार लॉन्च कर चुकी है, मगर लॉन्चिंग इनकी सफल नहीं हुई है। और आज 21वीं बार फिर से अमेठी से भागकर रायबरेली में पर्चा डाला। अरे राहुल बाबा, मैं यहां से रायबरेली का परिणाम बता देता हूं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रत्याशी दिनेश प्रताप सिंह के सामने आप रायबरेली से प्रचंड बहुमत से हारने जा रहे हैं। मेरी बात लिख कर।
More breaking inputs coming in. BJP cadre raises slogans against Rahul Gandhi. Go back Rahul slogans were raised. Remember, Rahul Gandhi is in Raebareli. He's just filed his nomination. The entire family was there to show support and solidarity to Rahul Gandhi. Meanwhile, Bharatiya Janata Party cadre raising go back Rahul slogans. Adib, in fact, is getting us more details on that. First, let's listen into what transpired.
राहुल गांधी वापस जाओ, वापस जाओ, वापस जाओ। 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 राहुल गांधी वापस जाओ, वापस जाओ, वापस जाओ।
Adib is joining us with more details. Adib, those were BJP Karyakartas, BJP cadre saying Rahul Gandhi वापस जाओ.
Well, see, Swati, BJP has been attacking Rahul Gandhi and they are saying that Rahul Gandhi is not of the hometown. It is not his hometown and he's an outsider. So the people should only vote for the one who will stay there with the people. The BJP, all the BJP leaders are saying that Dinesh Pratap Singh will stay with the people of Raebareli. But Rahul, once he wins, if he wins from that particular seat, once again he will flee to another country. He will be on a foreign tour. This is how BJP is attacking Rahul Gandhi and the Congress leaders. In fact, Prime Minister Modi and all the senior leaders have already said that after the polling in Wayanad will end, Rahul will choose, the Congress leader will choose a safe seat, and this time Rahul Gandhi has chosen Raebareli seat instead of Amethi. Amethi was his bastion, but now Rahul Gandhi has decided to contest election from the seat of his mother. We remember how Sonia Gandhi wrote an emotional letter. She penned down an emotional letter for the people of Raebareli, and when Rahul was filing her nomination, entire Gandhi family, including the senior leaders of Congress, were in Raebareli with him.
Right, Adib, in fact, on one hand, we are playing out visuals of Rahul Gandhi filing his nomination and the entire family was there to support him. Sonia Gandhi especially, because she represented this constituency and then took the Rajya Sabha route, and now Rahul Gandhi contesting from here. On one hand, BJP saying that Rahul Gandhi should go back. On the other hand, Congress emphasizing on the fact that not just Amethi or Raebareli, but the entire India is a stronghold of the Gandhi Parivar or the Gandhis.
Well, see, it's important for Sonia Gandhi to be there with Rahul when he's filing his nomination from the seat of Raebareli. Raebareli was a bastard of Sonia Gandhi. Sonia Gandhi represented Raebareli for a very long time, and it sends a good impact in the Congress cadre when Sonia Gandhi is there herself when Rahul is filing nominations. And on the other hand, we have BJP workers who are criticizing Rahul Gandhi, criticizing Congress party. They are saying that Rahul is an outsider and he should not be contesting from here. However, the Congress is confident and they are hopeful. They are saying that not just Raebareli or Amethi, but the entire country is our home, and we are here to contest, and we are fighting in a good state. This is how Congress is responding to the attacks of BJP.
Right, so that's the response coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party that Rahul Gandhi is scared. Top BJP leaders saying Rahul Gandhi and the Congress Party not confident that he would win from Amethi, and that's the reason why Rahul Gandhi is contesting from Raebareli. The Congress Party, on the other hand, trying to project it like a master stroke, a well-thought strategy of the Congress Party that has surprised the BJP. That's what the Congress Party maintains. And Jairam Ramesh, in fact, in that long post says that not just Amethi and Raebareli, but the entire India is a stronghold. Adib, if you read that post carefully of Jairam Ramesh, is also hinting at Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, going to Lok Sabha, but through by-polls. That's what he mentions.
Well, see, if you look at the post of Jairam Ramesh, he's hinting at the Priyanka Gandhi to contest the by-polls and through Lok Sabha, but Priyanka Gandhi was hesitant in fighting Lok Sabha election. Priyanka Gandhi was saying that if all the Gandhi family members are in parliament, it will send a negative impact, and the BJP will target us for the dynasty politics. But if Rahul Gandhi has to choose from two of the seats, if he wins from both the seats, from Wayanad and Raebareli, then he will have to vacate one seat, and then it could be a possibility that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra may contest from that one particular seat, whichever Rahul chooses to vacate. If he wins from both the seat, then we can see the debut of Priyanka in the upcoming by-polls, when the by-polls will take place after Rahul Gandhi wins, and if he chooses to vacate one of the seats.
What reactions coming in now? The Union Home Minister Amit Shah has also mocked Congress. Amit Shah says that Congress party tried relaunching Rahul Gandhi multiple times, and every time the attempt failed.
राहुल बाबा, इस सोनिया जी ने, मोदी जी ने तो एक ही बार ट्राई किया और चंद्रयान लॉन्च हो गया। ये राहुल बाबा नाम के यान को सोनिया जी 20 बार लॉन्च कर चुकी है, मगर लॉन्चिंग इनकी सफल नहीं हुई है। और आज 21वीं बार फिर से अमेठी से भागकर रायबरेली में पर्चा डाला। अरे राहुल बाबा, मैं यहां से रायबरेली का परिणाम बता देता हूं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रत्याशी दिनेश प्रताप सिंह के सामने आप रायबरेली से प्रचंड बहुमत से हारने जा रहे हैं। मेरी बात लिख।
More breaking inputs coming in. BJP cadre raises slogans against Rahul Gandhi. Go back Rahul slogans were raised. Remember, Rahul Gandhi is in Raebareli. He's just filed his nomination. The entire family was there to show support and solidarity to Rahul Gandhi. Meanwhile, Bharatiya Janata Party cadre raising Go back Rahul slogans. Adib, in fact, is getting us more details on that. First, let's listen into what transpired.
राहुल गांधी वापस जाओ, वापस जाओ, वापस जाओ। 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 राहुल गांधी